National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clinton County, southeastern Vaughn County, southwestern Fayette County until 7 p.m.
What the fuck?
At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beaver Creek, moving south at 10 miles per hour.
What the hell?
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Tamalco, Beaver Creek, Boulder, Pleasant Mound, Keysport, Smithboro, and Dudleyville. This includes Interstate 70 and Illinois near Exit 45. This also includes Carlisle Lake Recreational Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Carlisle Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north.
What the hell?
Gusts and quarter sun. This is a radar-indicated threat. Are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. To roofs, siding, and trees. Include Greenville, Tamalco, Beaver Creek, Keysport, Smithboro, and Dudleyville. This includes your Exit 45. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Alpha to Roseville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Galesburg, Abingdon, Knoxville, Watauga, Oneida, Yates City, Williamsfield, Altona, Victoria, Mequon, Ryle, Gilson, East Galesburg, Henderson, St. Augustine, Snake Den Hollow, Galesburg Airport, Tahinda, and Geelong. This includes Interstate 74 between Ryle, Gilson, East Galesburg, Henderson, St. Augustine, Snake Den Hollow, Galesburg Airport. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fulton County, Stark County, Knox County, western Peoria County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Altona to near Prairie City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Mills, Mequon, Laura. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fulton County, west central Tazewell County, north central Mason County, Peoria County, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Princeville to St. David's and near Ipava, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peoria, Kenton, Havana, Lewistown, Bartonville, Chillicothe, West Peoria, Bellevue, Princeville,